Wait 1 minute. Bro, screen change. So, so hi guys. Uh, I hope you all are doing great. I'm Yatika, one of the active coordinators of IIT Guwahati Coding Club.
And hello, I am Nandini, Web Dev Coordinator of the IIT Guwahati Coding Club. And today we are walking you through the CodePeak Orientation Program, which is an annual 1 month long program of open source conducted by IIT Guwahati and IIT Patna. CodePeak is a month-long program which is being conducted by Coding Club IIT Guwahati and NJACK IIT Patna that helps students understand the paradigm of open source contribution and give them real-world software development experience.
So, why CodePeak? So, have you ever wanted to contribute to real world projects but didn't know where to start? Because if you look at the most important like Google Summer of Code or LFX, those are quite hard to get into. But here comes CodePick, which will bridge the gap between you and your open source journey.
So here we can see the timeline of our 1 month long program. So I hope all of you guys must have registered for the CodePeak program. So yesterday only we ended the student and the mentor registration, and today we are officially beginning the CodePeak program with the orientation. Tomorrow you will be conducting a Git and GitHub workshop, so please stay tuned. And from 8th March we'll be starting the coding period. Stay tuned for the 17th March talk with eminent personalities, where you'll gain insights into industry level projects and how things work there. And we'll be ending the coding period on 28th March. And on 1st April, you guys will be getting the results. About NWOC and NJACK IIT Patna. NWOC is the flagship open source event of NJACK, the Computer Science Club of IIT Patna. It started in 2017 and has now grown to become one of the biggest student friendly open source programs in India. Over the years, it has witnessed participation from over 320 universities and 3,000 participants from all over India. We envision that this program will enrich the open source culture of India.
So about our coding club IIT Guwahati. So it inculcates the culture of programming and development. With its events gaining attention all over India, Coding Club has expanded itself into a diverse range of topics. So from machine learning to open source, it provides exposure to students like no other. Our major activities are ethos and hackathons. We also have various magazines, and we conduct courses regarding which feature web development and app development, and also workshops and DIY projects.
Now, coming to as mentioned earlier, we will be conducting talks where you'll be gaining insights from industry leaders. Specialists from numerous fields present their insights about programming with contributors. Individuals get to recognize many inspiring tales from these specialists. Also, members have the opportunity to interact and make clear their doubts on programming from the well known personalities inside the area of programming.
Okay, so coming to the workshop, we are conducting advanced Git and GitHub workshop tomorrow. So do join that, and there you will basically learn about installation and first of all the basic GitHub techniques like pushing, pulling to advanced tools like branching, and this will because GitHub is really important when it comes to open source. So you have to learn that. So do join that workshop.
The coding period. Open source contribution offers real world software development experience. The event targets students who wish to participate in free and open source contributions and experienced developers who want to show their skills by contributing to real world projects. As mentioned earlier, the coding period starts from 8th of March, so stay tuned and keep coding.
So you must be thinking like, why should I apply for this? So, well, now you have known that CodePeak seems like something productive to do this March. But shouldn't you just go on a trip and sleep your way after the midterms? Well, here are the reasons you can see on your screen. So, first is work experience, obviously, and second is mock for GSOC. So, as GSOC, it will be a good mock for you to work on issues which are quite beginner friendly, so that it will prepare you for GSOC, and you can build your network through this, meet a lot of IITians, and the fourth yearites also, they will help you. And you can start your journey of open source from this, because it's a very beginner friendly point.
Now, coming to one of the doubt that most of the people face, like, am I good enough for this? Like, can I do it? So, just we are making sure that the projects are intended to be beginner friendly. So there is no reason for you to shy away. We assure you that the mentors will help you in each step, and in the end, you will emerge as a better developer. This simply rules out the myths like first years are not meant for it. This is not like that. Even first years can contribute to our projects. The skills that you need to be a part of it are just you need good communication skills, so that you can present your doubts to your mentors very clearly and you can understand what they're trying to tell you. And secondly, a good working laptop and you're good to go.
So let's discuss how leaderboard will work in this journey. So there will be three types of issues: easy, intermediate, and hard. So for easy, you will get 5 points. For intermediate, you will get 10, and for hard, you will get 20 points. And additionally, you will get 1 point or 3 points for suggesting new ideas, new issues, and we will put those issues in the repository. And how the process of getting issue goes on. So first of all, you will express your interest on working on an issue. Then if the issue is unassigned or the assignee is inactive, it would be assigned to you. And if you can maximum work on only one issue at a time. You cannot take multiple issues. And if you have to show progress within 3 days, otherwise the mentor will assign the issue to anyone who is willing to do that. And the what else is left? Yeah, the points will be reflected only after we receive and verify your contribution from the mentor.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, and we are mentioning it now as well, that the projects are super beginner friendly, so you need not worry about anything. We have curated projects even for first years in mind. So there will be simple issues like submitting algorithms, creating portfolio websites, etc. Issues can be assigned to multiple people, and we are also conducting a workshop tomorrow, so that you can understand the flow of Git and GitHub, and so that you can make your first contributions to open source projects. Each contribution will award you 1 point, and we request the experienced developers or people who have worked quite a lot in the field of open source to work on more significant issues.
So coming to rewards and prizes. So the top performers will get exclusive CodePeak merchandise, and top performers will exclusively get free access to online courses and competitions offered by Coding Club IIT Guwahati and NJACK IIT Patna. The top 10 students will be featured in CC magazine and also on our social media handles. And obviously, you will get certificate of appreciation by all. It will be for all the participants, and the certificate of merit will be given to the top 40 contributors.
So hereby we have come to the end of our orientation. So you guys can put up any questions that you have in the chat box, in the live chat box. We are ready to answer it. So yeah, thank you so much for joining.
Right, don't.
It's starting from the coding period is starting from 8th of March. So yeah, yeah. Workshop timing. Okay, let me ask. Okay, we have just confirmed the workshop timing. It will be from 7:30 p.m. tomorrow. Stay tuned. And the workshop will go live on YouTube at 7:30 p.m. sharp.
So you can register for it from the CodePeak website, right?
Yeah, yeah. We'll share the link of the website. You can register from there. Yes, definitely you should go for it. This is your chance to actually start coding and yeah, and as we mentioned so many times, the projects are gonna be super beginner friendly. So you
Yeah,
should
you
go
can
for
go.
it. Yeah. After the coding period starts, we will assign mentee to a group of people. So yeah, don't worry about that. We'll take care of it.
Guys, you can ask your doubts in the live chat. Send me the link of the video.
For the mentor thing, you have to choose the issue on which you want to work, and there will be a mentor for that project. So that mentor will be assigned to you. Thank you, Aarti. It's really good to hear. Yes, of course. Like, oh, it's the program is span India, so you can like
From
it's
any institute you can join.
yeah.
Like we don't discriminate.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. We look forward to your enthusiastic participation. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.